Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are continuing our rosé series with some beautiful rosé lip balm. So in the Hydrus products that we've made as part of this series, I have used rose hydrosol as our rose scent note, but in this lip balm I am using rose wax instead. I absolutely fell in love with using rose wax in lip balm several years ago with the rose spearmint lip balm I did, and I figured it was high time I riffed on that again. Rounding out the rose scent is some bright, crisp green cognac essential oil and some sweet citrusy litsea cubeba. The color of this lip balm comes from a liquid carmine dye. It makes for a really pretty product on the tube, but we haven't used enough to tint the lips. So if you would like to use more of the dye, or if you'd like to use less, or you'd like to use something else to color it, make sure you are referring to the partner blog post, so that is linked in the description box below this video. And there's a lot of helpful information in there, including a big long list of substitution suggestions. As with all lip balms, this one is pretty simple to make, smells fantastic, and has a gorgeous, slightly glossy finish that I just am absolutely in love with. Come on, let's get started. We'll begin by combining our heated phase ingredients in a small, heat-resistant glass measuring cup. So you're going to need 3.84 grams of beeswax, 4.4 grams babassu oil or refined coconut oil, 2.9 grams deodorized cocoa butter, 7.52 grams apricot kernel oil, and 0.48 grams rose wax. To melt everything together, we're going to pop our measuring cup in a water bath. So this is a small saucepan that has about 1 inch or 3 centimeters of water in the bottom of it, and then a little silicone drink trivet to sort of further insulate the measuring cup. But I'm going to go put this on the stovetop over medium heat for about half an hour to melt everything through. While our heated phase melts through, we're going to weigh out our cool down phase ingredients. So you're going to need 0.1 grams of vitamin E, 0.12 grams green cognac essential oil, 0.04 grams litsea cubeba essential oil, and 0.6 grams carmine liquid dye. Once everything has melted through, you can remove your water bath from the heat, and then you can remove the measuring cup from the water bath. You're just going to give this a quick stir and then dry off the outside of the measuring cup so we don't accidentally incorporate any water into our lip balm, and then we're going to quickly add our cool down ingredients and stir them in. So I've got 4 lip balm tubes here, and we're just going to pour the lip balm into those tubes quite carefully. Now all that's left to do is leave those tubes to solidify and set up. Once the lip balm has set up, we can pop our caps on it and then clean off the tubes, and we are done. Now, if you're not planning on labeling the lip balms, a simple wipe down is generally sufficient, but if you do want to label them, you're going to want to spritz some isopropyl alcohol on a paper towel and then give them another wipe down to ensure that there's no oil left on there, because the oil will cause your labels to just fall right off. And there you go. You just made some beautiful rosé lip balm. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please remember to click through to the blog linked in the description box below to learn more about this recipe. There you'll find links to places to buy all the ingredients, information on substitutions, scaling, and shelf life, and a whole lot more. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.